2025 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It looks as sharp as it performs, with stylish features which include lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!